Very good evening to all of you, beta. Since you have on Friday some TR is there, okay? Huh? TMR, okay, MCQ, whatever. Pay attention here. So, I'm going to do few things which you all should know very nicely, okay? So that I'm going to do with you right now. Okay, no, listen carefully. So, beta, first in atomic structure, what they will ask you, listen carefully. Atom are its smallest indivisible joint Dalton theory. Atom is made up of small atoms only, small. It is the smallest indivisible particle. But modern theory says that we can break it. Okay, now what question they will ask you at the center? What we have? Nucleus. In nucleus, what we have? Protons. Protons are positively charged, neutron, no charge. Around the nucleus, what are revolving? Electrons. And these are known as orbits or orbitals, whatever, or shell. Okay, protons and neutrons together are called nucleus. Now, subatomic particle, proton have positive charge, electron have negative charge, neutron no charge. Proton has mass of 1, electron mass is negligible, and neutron mass is 1. It won't close, beta. Anyways. Okay, discoverer. Who discovered proton? Goldstein. Who discovered electron? J. Thomson. Neutron was discovered by Chad. Now, listen carefully. Okay, in exam, they will ask you what is atomic number. So, atomic number, I'll tell you beta, but for that, you should know this. Atomic number is number of protons or in an atom of an element. In an atom of an element. Okay, it is written as a subscript. Okay, on the left hand side. So, when I say sodium 11, so its atomic number is how much beta? 11. Then A atomic number is what? Number of protons or electron. So Z is equal to P, which is equal to. So when I say sodium atomic number is 11, so it has 11 proton, 11 electron, 11 is the atomic number. Then we went for mass number. Mass number is mass of protons and neutrons. Okay. Mass number symbol is A. It is written as superscript. Mass number is written as proton plus neutron. But we have studied beta number of proton is equal to number of electron, right? So instead of P, can I write Z? Therefore, what will be my N? N will be what? A minus Z. Okay. Yeah, electron also. But here we don't write, because if they will give you an exam mass number and atomic number, then you can find neutron number. Now, what type of exam question will come like this? Okay, if I give you that sodium 2311, so atomic mass number is 23, atomic number is 11, proton 11, electron 11, neutron will be A minus, no, A minus Z, A minus Z, so it will be 23 minus, so 12. Yeah, A minus. So the phosphorus if I give, right, because they may ask, na, because atomic number is equal to proton and electron. Okay, phosphorus 31 and 15. Mass number is 31. Atomic number is 15. Proton 15. Electron 15. Neutron A minus Z 16. Is this clear? Then electronic configuration beta, it is the number of electrons, arrangement of electron around the nucleus in an orbit is known as what? Electronic. And the electron revolves in what? Orbit, shells or energy levels. Now, this is the formula for how much electron. The first shell is known as K, L, N, N. What is the capacity of electron in each cell? 2n square. So if it is K shell, first shell, 2 into 1 square, so how many electrons? 2 into 2 square, 8. 2 into 3 square, 18. Then beta, 630. But beta, one more important point. Last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. Last shell last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. Okay. Now, electronic configuration I am going to teach. First 20 elements I am showing you. Listen. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. Helium is 2. Lithium 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. Okay. Now, bus. But interesting case is potassium. Now, potassium is 19. So, you may think, sir, can I write 289? No. Why? Because this is my last shell. Last shell cannot, beta, यहाँ पर देख, last shell cannot have more than 8. So, I'll make it 2, 8. Are you getting it? Clear? Okay. Now, very important thing, I'm going to teach you something which is related to iron. What? Ions. Ions.
Ion. I'm thinking.
Okay. Beta, first we are going to study about ions. But ions are positive. They are positive. And they are also, cations are positive. They are also known as basic radical. They are known as basic. They are what, beta? Basic. So if they say basic ions, they are also known as basic ions. Basic ions. Cations are positively charged. They are also known as basic. Acidic and basic we have. Okay. Every element will try to lose electron to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble
Gas.
nearest noble gas. So if I want sodium, now you only tell me sodium is an atom. Atom is electrically. So what it will try to do? It will try to become like we have role model in our life. Similarly, they have role model. All these are role models. Noble gases are what? Role model. So these are the role models. Every element will try to become like that. So now you only tell me, hey, listen carefully. If sodium, who is the nearest noble gas to sodium? So it will try to become like neon. But sodium is how much? 281. But neon is. So what? No. So first, what it will do? Tell me.
क्लोरीन को एक दान देगा तो उसका केमिकल बॉन्ड हो जाएगा
No, bond नहीं. पहले आयन बन रहे. Okay. First, I'm taking example of sodium. Listen, beta. Sodium atomic number is 11. So electronic configuration is how much? 281. Hey, beta. Here it will lose, not dear. It will lose one electron. So if it lose one electron, which charge it will develop? Any one. And it will become 2, comma. Suppose if I would have taken potassium is 19. So what it will do, beta? So it will lose how many electron? And it will become, right? And it has attained which configuration now? Stable configuration. Which configuration?
स्टेबल
Very
कॉन्फ़िगरेशन
good. Stable configuration. Is this clear?
यस सर
Yes, sir.
Wait, I'll tell you. 2881. That is different. Okay. Now, yeah, you just take it. Calcium. Before going to calcium, I'm giving you magnesium. I'm giving you what? Magnesium. Wait, just listen fast. And I'm going to give you calcium. Now tell me, will it lose or gain? Hey, who is the nearest noble gas to this? Neon. So in order to become, so what it will, how many electron it will lose?
2,
So and it will become what?
2,
It will become
8,
what? Mg.
2 plus,
It has become stable. Calcium will lose how many electron? And it will
2,
become
stable,
stable. So all these are which ion? Positive ion, cation. And cation are basic. Cations are.
बेसिक
बेटा अभी तू है ना ऐसा उस चेयर पे अगर ऐसा डाउट पे ऐसा पीछे करके गया ना देखो मैं नीचे बता दूंगा
क्या किया
ऐसा ऐसा ये चेयर पे दो
सर ऐसे
हाँ नहीं करने के बेटा प्यार से बता रहा सुन how many electron sodium loses one electron potassium loses one electron but magnesium and calcium loses how many electron
2,
they are cations positive basic in nature. They are which ion? Basic. Now I'm going to write here something and I want you all to tell me. Okay. And we are going to study about anions. Which ions? So what are anions?
Negative and acidic.
And they are what? Acidic. They are acidic. Cations were positive and basic. Okay, now I'm going to write here something. You have to tell me what will happen here. Kamua. First, I have given you here chlorine. And this is what, remove that bag and I'll throw it otherwise. Remove that bag. Chlorine atomic number is 17. Now you tell me, beta, who is the nearest noble gas? Okay, I showed na argon. Every element will try to become 8 electron. For to become 8, it will either lose or gain. So it will gain how many electron?
1.
And what charge it will develop?
minus.
So it should be, yes.
So 288. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So this is,
sir.
this is which ion? Chloride. What it is?
Chloride.
Chloride.
Now suppose if I give you here this, I've given you oxygen. Oxygen. So this is 8. So 2 comma 6. So how many electron it will gain? So it will become now, yeah, Shavir, tell me.
2 minus.
Sir, so both electrons should be stable at the in the end, right?
Yeah. So this is, now this has become which ion? Oxide. And it has become stable. All these are what? Stable. Is this clear? I'm giving you
Yes,
here, but nitrogen atomic number is 7. So 2 comma 5. In order to become 8, how much electron it is? 3 electrons.
1.
So it will become N3 1 minus 2 comma 8. And it is known as which ion? Nitride. What it is? Nitride. Clear. So all these negative ion are what? Acidic. And positive are basic. Positive are basic. Okay. Now we are going to do bond formation. Bond formation. Bond. Yeah, bond formation. First, wait. No, it is not at all cold. It is very hot.
Kopcha, what do you think is
Okay. Bond formation. Yes. क्लियर है यहाँ पर देखो बेटा भी bond formation. Okay. Now first we are going to study which bond? Ionic or electrovalent bond. Which bond? Electrovalent bond. Or ionic also we call it as. Okay, it is always formed between metal and non-metal. It is always formed between whom? The basic criteria is always between metal and non. Metal will donate electron to non-metal. So transfer of electron will happen. What will happen? So metal will donate electron, transfer of electron. Okay. So metal loses electron and non-metal will gain. In order to attain electronic configuration of stable electronic configuration. So suppose if I take sodium, tell me sodium, and here I am taking so sodium is 11, so 281. So what will happen here? Tell me, and chlorine is 70. So it will donate 1 electron. Can you see? Hello. Yeah, so metal will donate, chlorine will gain. So after donating, Na will become Na plus. Chlorine will become Cl minus. Now there will be electrostatic force of attraction between these two, and therefore we say electrovalent, and NaCl will be formed. What will be formed? NaCl. Wait now. Electrovalent bond and ionic bond. Okay. This is one and the same. Wait, I'm giving one more. Same. Yeah, because ions are held together. And why electrovalent? Because electrostatic force of attraction. Okay. Now, suppose if I give you, wait, listen here. This is metal, and here it is non. But before going to that, I'll just show you sodium chloride, how it is formed. Look here.
Okay. So finally you got your slides. Your magical slides.
Okay, look here. A sodium chloride, it is formed due to transfer of electron. Pay attention here. Okay, right? Chalo, this is sodium 281. Can you see? And this is chlorine 287. So now sodium will lose one electron or not? Yeah, sodium 281. So it is unstable. It will lose one electron. So it will lose one electron. Chlorine, what it will do, beta? 287. So it will gain one electron. Now look, that blue electron will get transferred. Look here. देखा? So it will log positive. And chlorine will accept, therefore transfer of electron. Yeah. And both ions are held together or not? Tell me, beta. Look, can you see this?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sodium ion, sodium ion and this are going to get attracted. 28 and 288, both are stable. And therefore, this is which bond? Electrovalent or ionic bond. Clear? Okay. Now, सब yeah. क्यों? अच्छा, क्योंकि उनको स्टेबल बनना है. अच्छा, स्टेबल. अच्छा, ये हीरो, ये देख देख, तेरे को मैं बताता हूँ. सोडियम का नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस कौन है? बोल बेटा. नियो. तो उसके जैसा बनने के लिए उसको एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करना पड़ेगा कि नहीं?
समझा क्या?
क्लोरीन का नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस कौन है? 288 है, लेकिन ये 287 है, तो उसको एक गेन करना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? तो सोडियम बोलेगा एक काम करना भाई, तू ले ले. क्लोरीन बोलेगा भाई मुझे तू दे दे. और ये देख, सोडियम इसके जैसा बन जाएगा, क्लोरीन इसके जैसा बन जाएगा. क्लियर है? ओके, वेरी गुड. आ जाओ दे.
24 मिनट.
ए भाई बस, अभी तू ही मेरे को बता बेटा. चल,
चल.
सुनो ना बेटा. ए बेटा बस. बेटा, आई हैव गिवन यू कैल्शियम. बेटा, व्हाट आई हैव गिवन यू? चल अभी मेरे को बता, कैल्शियम का ये सब रोल मॉडल है. जैसे अपने लाइफ में अपन बोलते हैं ना, स्पोर्ट्स स्टार जैसा बनने का या एक्टर वगैरह, तो सब एलिमेंट के लिए, इनके लिए ये रोल मॉडल है बेटा. तो अब ये कैल्शियम का नियरेस्ट कौन है? बोल बेटा. आर्गन है. तो इसको 288 बनना है कि नहीं? लेकिन इसके पास भाई देखना 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन ज्यादा है. तो व्हाट इट विल डू?
लेगा कि देगा?
लूज कर देगा ना बेटा. हाँ, अब ये ऑक्सीजन को देख बेटा. ऑक्सीजन के नजदीक में कौन है? नियॉन. तो उसका लेकिन 2,7 है, इसको 28 बनने का, तो इसको 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो ये इसको दे देगा वहां.
क्वेश्चन में सर पूरा इतना बड़ा.
हाँ, तो अपन वो बनाया ना. अभी तेरे को देख, अभी इधर पे आ जा. अभी देख बेटा, तू ही मेरे को बता. देख अभी मैं तुझे क्या दे रहा हूँ, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड. देख, कैल्शियम एटॉमिक नंबर क्या था? बोल बेटा. 2882 है कि नहीं? ऑक्सीजन देख 2,6 है. ए कैल्शियम वांट टू लूज हाउ मच? कैल्शियम वांट टू लूज हाउ मच? आजा बेटा, क्या नाम है? रेहान है.
तो तूने ऑनलाइन क्यों ज्वाइन किया था? मैं गाड़ी में था.
बहुत अच्छी बात है बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. ये 2882 है. तू मुझे बता बेटा भी, अब ये क्या करेगा? बोल बेटा, इसको 2 लूज करना पड़ेगा कि ना? और देख, इसके पास 8 नहीं है ना, बाहर 6 है ना, तो इट विल टेक 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और नॉट. टेल मी. तो लुक बेटा, लोग अभी देख. हाँ बस, ये देख, मेटल जो लूज करता है वो मेटल होता है. लोग, हाँ ये देख.
सर
क्लियर है? ये देख बेटा, ये देख. क्लियर है? लुक हियर सानवी. ये देख, ये देख. So look beta, now it has become a stable or not? Tell me beta, right? Okay. So this bond is which bond? Ionic bond. Which bond? Ion. Okay. So we did for what, beta? Sodium and chlorine we did, and then next I gave you example of what? Calcium and oxygen. Calcium was how much? 2882. Oxygen was how much? So what it will do? It will give away, and this will take these 2 electrons. So calcium will become 2 plus 288. Look, octet is complete,
CaO.
and his O will become 2 minus. Become a
CaO. CaO.
who Ca become positive. So this is positive.
I'm giving negative. I'm positive or negative. Negative.
Okay, Sani, if you give
Come tomorrow. Come tomorrow. Okay? Come tomorrow. Okay? These are electron negative, na? So this is losing 2 electrons. So 2 negative charge will go. So it will develop 2 positive. Okay? So this is which bond we studied, beta? Electrovalent or ionic bond. Now the other bond we are going to study now. Now, okay, we are going to study. Just shut your mouth. Don't try to act too smart. Covalent bond. Covalent bond.
non-metal, non.
So this is always between two non-metal. Both should be what? Non-metal. Non-metal.
Sir, H2O.
And here there is no transfer. Here it is what? Sharing. The bond is this bond is formed due to sharing. Sharing. They will share. Okay. Now I'll tell you, beta. Both are between non-metal. Hello. First I'm going to take here also a hydrogen bond. But who was the nearest noble gas to a hydrogen? So they want to become like helium. But helium has how many electrons? 2. How many electrons? 2. Okay. But before that one, I just want to show you one. I just forgot to show. Okay. Magnesium chloride, if I give you magnesium. Magnesium is what, beta? Magnesium is how much, beta? 282. 12. Acha, chlorine is 287, but chlorine can gain only 1 electron. Na?
Yes, sir.
And another chlorine also 2. So 1, but this fellow want to lose 2. So 1 electron it will give here and 1 it will give here.
Yeah.
Okay. So look, beta, this electron will get transferred. 1 will go here, 1 will go here. So what I'll get? Magnesium will become 2 plus. Chlorine is 1 minus and 1 minus. So what will be the formula? MgCl2. Okay, I'll show you. Look here. And look here properly. Look, A. So, A, 1 electron will go here, 1 will go here. Look here. No talking at all. Look. A is it. Can you see this? Okay. A, why it developed 2 positive? Because it lost 2 electrons. It gained 1 electron, 1 electron. Okay. Now, so 2 plus, now plus 2 plus. Okay. Now, I am going to go for sharing. Sharing of electron. Now, what they will ask, everything I am going to show you. Wait, I am going to show you. A, hydrogen, look, beta. Beta, look here. Hydrogen, 1 electron. This hydrogen also 1 electron. Both of them have 1. Yeah, so they will come close to each other. Pay attention here. This girl here. क्या नाम है बेटा आपका? धृति बेटा ना? धृति, यहाँ पे pay attention here. Now what is happening? Sanvi, pay attention here. Look here. They will come closer. देख बेटा यहाँ पर. So they will come closer. Look. Now, Wait, I'll show you beta once again. Look. Now what I want all of you to see, you just see this first left hand side. It has 2 electron or not, tell me. Now look at the right hand side. Does it have 2 electron or not, tell me. So both have become like helium or not. 2 electrons are sharing. If one pair of electron is shared, we write it as single covalent bond. Single. One pair means single. तुम्हें बताते हाँ बटाटे everything. Batate, bro.
Single bond.
Yeah, so hydrogen, when they will come close to each other, they will share one electron. So we call it as single covalent bond. What? Single covalent. Okay, single covalent. Suppose if I take chlorine and chlorine, chlorine, 17, 287, 287. Now look, this chlorine has how many electrons? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. अब बेटा इसको who is the nearest noble gas to chlorine? So it wants to become what? It wants to become 2, 8. 8. Can you see? So it requires 1 electron or not? Tell me. So now what chlorine will do? Let us see. Yeah. We draw only outer chlorine. This is. This chlorine, can you see? 287. How many electrons are there in the outermost orbit? 7. Here also it is 7. Now they will come close to each other. Hey, look here, Christina.
She told me it's her mother's name.
What's her name?
Sanika.
Sanika. Okay. बेटा तुम्हारी जबान बहुत चल रही है और काफी दिनों से मैंने अपने जूते भी साफ नहीं किए. Okay. 287, 287. ठीक है ना बेटा? Who got the 1 electron? Hydrogen. No, but no, they are not got 1 electron. Beta. Wait, they need 1 electron. This also need 1 electron. Now, भाई इधर देखा बहुत important है. So now they will come closer. Wait, listen. Now they will share. Look here. No, not taking one, giving. They are sharing. Look here. बेटा अभी तेरा मुंह खुला, तेरे को बाहर भेजूंगा मैं सीधा. Now look here बेटा. क्या हो गया बेटा? अपने आप को आईने में देख लिया है क्या? You are laughing as if you have seen yourself in mirror. हाँ ठीक है. Okay. बस. Now look, they will share बेटा. देख यहाँ पर 8 होगा. कैसे होगा देखो. देख. अब now I want all of you to see left hand side का 8 हो रहा है कि नहीं देखो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then beta, what about this? This is happening 8 or not? Tell me.
Yes.
So did anyone lose electron? No. Did anyone gain electron? No. Did anyone lose electron? No. Did anyone gain electron? No. So what they did? Sharing. What they did?
What are you doing?
How many pair of electron they are sharing? Tell me. तो सिंगल कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड क्या है होगा? सिंगल कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. Yeah, Shavir, tell me beta, what happened?
तो अंदर का शेल किधर है, दो जिसमें दो
एक मिनट वेट, व्हाट हैपेंड?
अंदर का शेल किधर है जिसमें दो
नहीं,
इलेक्ट्रॉन
वो अंदर का शेयर नहीं बताते हम लोग। कोवेलेंट में भी ऑलवेज शो आउटर, we always show outer because always valence electron will go in bond formation. In covalent will always show outer.
What is the
Yes,
name of the thingy?
This on the covalent bond, and this is Nasha. No, this was chlorine. Wait, chlorine atom, chlorine atom. So and this is chlorine molecule, chlorine gas, Cl2. Okay. Now I want all of you to pay attention here. Okay, so this chlorine, they will come close to each other and they will form what beta? These two will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one will be what beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now look, one pair is shared, so single covalent bond. इसका भी 8 है, इसका भी 8 है, हो गया, ठीक है ना? चुपचाप बैठ. Okay, come here now. Let us go to the next one. Look, I am giving you here oxygen. Atomic number is 8. Why don't you pay attention here? This is 2,6 and this is also beta. So this also needs 2. This also needs 2. So if I am taking this oxygen here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there is another oxygen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what they will do? Let us see. EO bro. Yeah, acha. There now here how many electron oxygen needs? Beta look 2,6, 2,6, 6 electron are there. Left को चाहिए 2, right को चाहिए 2. Nobody loses, nobody gains, but what they do? Okay, so now look here. Okay. Yeah. Shut your mouth and pay attention here. Okay. Pass. Pay attention. Oi, listen here. So now these two will come closer. Look, beta. A. Dhruvi. यहाँ पे देखो. Look. Now. Left hand. A. This is beta 8 or not? Tell me. Count. This is also 8 or not? Tell me. Very good. Acha, but what has happened here? There are how many pair are being shared? One pair and two pair. So double covalent bond. What do you say? Okay, then this is O2 molecule, oxygen gas. This was oxygen atom, and this is a double covalent bond. So in exam, if they say hydrogen has single covalent bond, chlorine has single covalent bond, oxygen has double covalent. Oxygen has double. So now how this will come closer. Look. Sorry, bro. Yeah. Okay, I'll draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's also. ये देखना शेयर हो गया कि नहीं बोलो. हाँ तो ये हो गया ना बेटा 8. This is also 8 or not? And double covalent bond. What it is? O2 molecule. Bond formation. Orbit structure. Yeah, acha. This I have called dot structure. And that circle wala which I was showing, that was orbit. What happened? Yeah, go from there. बेटा अभी है ना थोड़ा आराम से. Okay, now look here. I'm going to go for the next one. Chalo, Zain beta, you will tell me. Nitrogen is how much beta? I'm giving you atomic number. Nitrogen 9. 7. 2,5. 2,5. Now nitrogen has how many electron bar? 5. So इसमें how much are there beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This nitrogen is also how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. How much this fellow needs? 3. इसको भी 3 चाहिए. तो what they will do? Yeah, ये रही यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं. Okay, look here. अरे, what happened? It has stopped. अरे, but what has stopped? What, man? What happened? Okay, just shut your mouth and don't. Okay, nitrogen, look here. Nitrogen 2,5, 2,5, 5 electrons. Now what they will do, beta? They will come closer. Yeah, very good. And look. Hey, look. Yeah. Okay, now I want you to see this left hand side. Hey, it has 8 electrons. This fellow has also 8 electrons. Now, how many pair they are sharing? 3. So triple covalent. Triple covalent. Triple covalent. Yeah. Triple covalent bond. Clear? Okay. Now. Okay. Now, shh, all of you, please pay attention here. Now, pay attention here. Yeah, let it be, beta. Please, beta. Now, बस. तुम लोग यहाँ पे अभी ध्यान दो यहाँ पर. बस. Now, very important thing I'm going to. I'm writing here something. Pay attention here. Hydrogen. Atomic number 1. But your mass number is 1, your mass number is 2, your mass number is 3. Atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. Okay. Hey, wait, beta. Now listen. Here, we did this. The one which form positive, we call it as electropositive. Okay, the one who gains electron, it is known as electronegative. नेगेटिव बन गया ना इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करके, पॉजिटिव बन गया इसलिए इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव बन गया तो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. Okay. Now in exam beta, they will ask this isotopes. So how you are going to do? Sorry. Atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. Acha, their electronic configuration, protons, electron, everything is same. They have same proton. Can you see? Same proton, same electron. Listen carefully. But they have different neutrons. Different neutrons. How many neutrons? Here it will be 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. This is also known as protium. This is known as deuterium. This is known as tritium. Clear hai? Yeah. I'm explaining this. Okay. EM. Element का ending में भी write EM. Okay.
So there's different number of neutron.
Yeah, they have different neutron and different mass number. That's it. They have different neutrons. Only this is different. Rest everything is same. Okay. Now we are going to go for the another one, that is isobar. Isobar. Okay. I'm writing here something, beta. Just ignore them, beta. Argon and calcium. Atomic number is 18. Here it is 20. But both have same mass number. They are both same. So they have A is same. But Z is different. Z is clear है बेटा. आ जाओ. बेटा आ जा. बैठ जा अंदर. अरे ठीक है ना, आगे आके पैसे ले जाना जरा. Just sit. Bye. Just sit down. अरे just sit down. Alright.
So why do they have the same?
Wait. Listen first. Okay.
Papa?
Listen, beta. I'm going to. You just missed out this isotopes. They have same atomic number. Since atomic number is same electronic configuration, same proton, same electron, but different mass. They are known as isotopes.
So what else?
Protium, deuterium, tritium. They have different neutrons. Neutron is what, beta? A minus Z. So 1 minus 0 neutron. Acha, in exam they ask, name an isotope of hydrogen which has 0 neutron. So protium. Which has maximum neutron than tritium. Clear? Now, look here.
So what is that key point?
Forget about that. यहाँ पे ये देख बेटा.
See.
Listen. They have same atomic number, but they have different mass. So beta, if they have same atomic number, different mass number, so these are what, beta? Same. We call them as isobars. What we call them as isobars. Clear?
Same mass number.
Yes.
Same number of electrons.
No, beta. Neutrons will be different. They have everything different, beta.
Atomic.
Only mass number is same. You want to see? Look. Proton is 18. Your proton is 20. Your electron is 18. Your electron is 20. Your neutron is A minus Z. So your 40 minus 18. So 22. Your 40 minus 20. 20. Everything is different here. Clear hai? Even their electronic configuration is different. Only their mass number is same. Any difficulty till here? Okay. Right. Now I want all of you to come here.
Okay.
Okay. Pay attention here now.
Yes.
Okay. The size of the nucleus is very small as compared to the size of the atom. True. Why? Because the nucleus is very, very small and it is at the center or not? Tell me. अरे बेटा ये सेंटर में इतना छोटू सा न्यूक्लियस है ना, एटम इज दिस बिग. हाँ? The electrons, the size of the electrons revolve around the nucleus. This is also around the nucleus only they revolve, na? True. But both are true, but the reason is false. So A and R are true, but the reason is not correct. Clear? Yes. Shut up. So where is nucleus? It is inside the atom, na?
Oh, sorry, sir.
Shut up, man.
Sorry.
The nucleus of an atom is positively charged. Inside the nucleus, what we had? Protons and neutrons. Because its charge is determined by whom? Who will determine this charge? Only protons. Because electrons are outside, na?
Yeah.
So what is the A? Protons. No, not at all. Just shut your mouth. Atomic number is equal to what? Atomic number is equal to number of protons, which is equal to electrons. So equal to number of what? Proton. No, protons likhenge because what happens if no
It is equal to number of electrons. That's why, sir, it is
protons. Protons only will write. If it is an atom, then if it is an atom, then I can write protons. But if it is protons and electrons, but if it is ion, then I always write protons because electron will be either lost or gained. What does the mass number of an atom represent? Mass number is what? Protons and neutrons. So it is the mass of protons and neutrons. Mass is at the center now. In an atom, electrons revolve around the nucleus in a fixed pathway called
Shells.
shell. One word. Which is the lightest subatomic particle? Electron.
Electron.
Heaviest is neutron. Neutron. Heaviest is neutron.
Yes.
No. Neutron is 1.0086. Proton is 1.0078. But that you don't have. Okay? Huh. No. It is subatomic particle is heaviest is neutron. The basic unit of smallest particle of an atom, they are building blocks of molecules.
Sir, we have
Atom.
not inside us, that's why we are heavy.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Differentiate between proton and neutron. Proton is positive, electron is negative. Proton is present inside the nucleus. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in shell. Why is atom electrically neutral? Because it has equal number of protons and
electrons.
whatever charge is on the proton, same will be electron, so it will get nullified. Okay. Define atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons in an atom of an element.
And electrons of an atom of an
End नहीं आता और होगा.
the nucleus. Atom.
A group of atoms are doing experiment X, Y, Z. X has atomic.
गलत था.
क्या?
मेरे पता है सर. तो याद है बट.
चुलचा बेटा atomic number 11. When we did this?
हमारा स्कूल का ही है.
Huh?
First and second worksheet we done, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, we done.
Which one? In your
So we did this in online class.
Okay. This? This one is. ये वाला bond. Bond वाला करते हैं, चलो bond. Hey, which bond is formed by sharing, ladies, sharing. Come on. Bolo, covalent. Which bond? Hey, molecule which has double covalent. Are good, beta. I appreciate it. Yeah, very good. Double covalent. No, shut up. Hydrogen. I'll tell you. Hydrogen was single. Chlorine was single. Chlorine was single. Oxygen. Oxygen. What is the main reason for atom for chemical? To achieve stable electronic configuration. To achieve stable electronic configuration. Which type of this is lead. This is metal and this is non-metal. Metal and non-metal will be always ionic. Hey beta, pay attention here. Which is an example of, so it should have metal and non-metal both. This is both non-metal. This is both non-metal. This metal and non, so any nitrogen also non-metal, hydrogen also non-metal. Naja. Aram se. Identify whether it will show covalent or ionic. Covalent or you have to tell me
What you are?
whether it is ionic or covalent. Hey bhai,
Sir, first one.
you want to help your friend in toilet? Then why are you so much interested? Where is he going? Yeah, so go and help him then. Okay. You know very well, I guess.
Sir, ionic bond.
Okay. थोड़ा चलेगा ना बेटा? हेलो.
Oh, इतना कर दिया.
Oh, bus, beta, pay attention. Now, please pay attention here. Shh. Sodium chloride. What I have written? Now tell me, Sanika, metal and non-metal. So it is which bond? Ionic. Water is the. अच्छा बेटा मैं आपको ना ये लोग ने ये molecule दिया ना तो I'll just show you. Wait. I'll just show you beta that also because since they're sharing non-metal. Yeah, water. बेटा ए look water here. वाटर में क्या होता है ए ऑक्सीजन इज व्हाट बेटा 2,6 प्लीज या तो आई रिटर्न देयर 6 कांट यू से ए અહીંયા જો ને એ અહીંયા જો now pay attention here.
Very bad. Sure.
Kesar का feeling Oh, how do you answer this?
Okay, Raja. Now this is very important. A. Otherwise, you will not understand that worksheet. Look here. Water में बेटा it is 2,6. How much it requires? 2. इसको 2 चाहिए. A. This hydrogen also require 1. This also require 1. And all are non-metal, so they will.
Oh yeah.
10 कहाँ से आ गया भाई? Okay, look here. Now, beta, please pay attention here. Now, look here how it is forming. Please, this is very important. Look, they will come closer. Look here. In exam, beta, A Sanika, pay attention. बहुत important है वो नहीं दिया textbook में, but they have asked in the worksheet. Look here. They will come closer. Oh, beta, Dhruvi, look here. They will come closer. Can you see? अच्छा, now I want you to see. ये डुप्लेट हो गया इसका. तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन हो गया ना हाइड्रोजन हीलियम जैसा और इसका देख 8 हो गया कि नहीं 8 means octet 2 means duplet. अच्छा now tell me here how many pair is shared 1 here also 1 so it has double नहीं बोलेगा क्या बोलोगे 2 single covalent bond 2 this is single and single ना 2 single covalent. अच्छा now I am going to go for ammonia nitrogen 2,5 hydrogen 1 hydrogen 1 hydrogen 1 now they will come closer look here look wait यहाँ पे देख बेटा ध्रुवी देख ले पहले ये they will come closer look now I want you to see here let me tell me इसका 8 हो गया कि नहीं
Yes, sir.
2 अच्छा now here there is one pair so 3 single covalent bond and all are non-metal ना बेटा okay अभी आपको ना वो लोग ने ये भी दिया है 2 नाम इसलिए मैं खाली दिखा रहा हूँ रुक जाओ चुपचाप बेटा ये देख ये अच्छा you tell me here carbon requires 4 chlorine 1 so they will what share carbon tetrachloride CCl4 tetra means 4 CCl and then methane CH4 4 single colon CH4 C4 and hydrogen 1 so they will come close to each other they will share in textbook they have just given in your worksheet they have given CH4 na that is why I'm explaining that look here no this will be methane the gas which comes to our house through pipe that is methane we use for cooking
Yes, sir.
methane 4 single covalent bond 4 single covalent bond one pair one CH4 ये देख CH4 ना methane why I taught you this now you will be able to answer come on tell me hey this is ionic this is covalent metal and non-metal ionic oxygen non-metal covalent aluminium metal oxygen is ionic non-metal ammonia metal, non-metal, nitrogen, covalent, hydrogen. Understood? ऑक्सीजन में पानी नहीं होता, वाटर में.
हाइड्रोजन में पानी. अरे यार
कल आना बेटा, कल आना. Come tomorrow, कल आना.
मत लाओ.
Rohan noticed iron gate outside house to protect rusting. हाँ, anyways. ये ऐसा क्यों दिया तुम लोग को? ये सब ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं आना चाहिए. बोल देना, आवाज दीजिए, कोई बहरा नहीं है, ठीक है ना? बता रहा हूँ फिर भी. जिंक अच्छा, अभी वो लोग ने क्या बोला है? जिंक फॉर्म पॉजिटिव आयन. सो व्हाई डज जिंक फॉर्म पॉजिटिव आयन? अच्छा, जिंक किसके साथ हम लोग कर रहे हैं, बोलो बेटा? There it is, iron gate. It is rusting. So air में कौन होता है, बोलो? Oxygen. So zinc. Why does zinc form positive ion? Because zinc is a metal. Metal will always form what? Positive. Okay. Then during a chemical reaction, they have started chemical reaction in your school. No, but beta, this is no. Hey, listen, chemical reaction, it is in your term too. They have started.
But worksheet they are ending of this.
No.
अरे सर हमारा स्कूल
I can one at a time. And the language I have completed. Okay.
They're sending worksheet, so they've not done it.
No, okay, fine enough. Whatever they have done so far, listen. Sing. Will you listen here? Okay. Zinc form positively charged ion during chemical reaction. Why? Because metal. What is the name of the positively ion formed by a metal after losing electrons? नहीं, what is the name of the positively charged after losing? metal जो lose करता है positive को क्या कहते हैं? cation. If magnesium atom loses 2 electron, what ion it will form, and write it. So we'll have to show magnesium, it is 12 na beta. So 282. It loses 2 electrons. So symbol of what beta? We have to write this Mg2 plus 2,8. Okay. 2, we wrote right now. Why metal generally form cations during chemical reaction? Because they lose electron to attain stable electronic configuration. Inert gases are stable in nature because their octet is already complete. They already have stable electronic configuration. A student, they have given some question, listen carefully. Student says that oxygen should form ionic bond because it needs 2 electrons to complete its octet. Do you agree with the student's statement? Justify your answer with the reason. Oxygen should form ionic bond with whom, but beta? They should have mentioned that. Yeah, oxygen. नहीं, किसके? No. Look, beta. No. Oxygen. Now this question is incomplete. Why? I'll tell you. Because if I would have taken calcium and oxygen, then definitely oxygen will accept 2 electron or not. Tell me. But magnesium also. But if both would have been oxygen, then if both would have been oxygen, then what they would have done? So this statement is because they should have mentioned with metal. But since they have not mentioned, then what will they say? What will write? Oxygen will take 2 electrons to become, and it can form ionic bond. But oxygen can share also. So it can form covalent bond also. So it is not a correct statement. As studying 3 element X, Y, Z, their atomic number. X, what atomic number they are given? 6. Y, they are given how much? 9. So we should always write electronic on 2,4. This is 2,7. Z is how much beta? 12. So it is 282. Now I have told you beta, any element which has 3 or less than 3, it will always lose. 4 or more, it will always gain. So the chemist observed that one element readily gains electron and another loses electron and two of them combine to form a stable compound. Based on this, what your chart? Hey, which element is most likely to form an anion? So who will form an ion? This pi. 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 Yeah. May. Because it will gain one electron. Okay, and it will become pi. Hey, which element is likely to form? Z. Z. Because it will lose. No. Yeah, but predict the type of bond between Y and Z. They have written what? Y and Z. So Y will lose and this will gain. So which bond? Electrovalent or ionic bond. Right, beta? Electro and ionic is same. You want me to write ionic? So I'll write ionic. Write the formula of compound between Y and Z. Hey, no. We have to write. Wait. You have to write answer in the form of Z and Y only. So Z loses how many electron? So Z is 2 plus. Y gains how many electron? 1. Y 1 minus. And we do crisscross. So what will get? Z Y 2. Are you getting it? Okay, what is ionic? So Z is metal. It is not metal. Okay. So this worksheet we have done. Which other worksheet they have given? This. Which one? But they have not sent in the group. Wait. You should have told me, beta.
So there are 6 worksheets of atomic structure. Last time we done this is the third.
Huh? Yeah, send me ना. Quickly send it to me. नहीं मेरे को देखो एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर का भेजो मुझे 2 ही मिला एटॉमिक सेंड वो तो मैंने लैंग्वेज लेकिन कल टेस्ट में नहीं है ना अभी टेस्ट में कौन सा है चलो मैं लैंग्वेज का अब तुमको कराता हूँ तुम लोग बोल रहे Atomic ka there are only 2 on the group, so I did. Okay. Language of chemistry. Chalo beta, we'll do this also because it is related only. Okay. Pay attention. Pay attention now. Pay attention. When an atom gains one or more, it becomes negatively charged. True. The number of electrons in an atom. It did atomic first, but this is related to atomic. That is why I'm doing. The number of electrons in an atom exceeds the number of protons upon gaining electron. Now, number of electrons in an atom exceed the number on gaining the electron. True. So, when an atom gains, it becomes negatively charged. A is also true, R is also true, and R is the correct explanation also. Clear? So that is what I told you now. तो मैंने कहा listen.
So we have not done all. Oh no, we have done all. So we have done all. ये ऋतिक मॉडल होगी टेस्ट अभी छोड़ दो.
We did this right now.
Yes, sir. भगवान
बेटा चुप बैठो मेरा दिमाग खराब मत करो उठ के मारूंगा अभी मैं बात ये 3 जन ये 2 जन को सिर्फ को नहीं ये और वो pay attention here now. Look, identify the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in X. So X atomic number is 11 and mass number is 23. So number of proton is 11, electron is 11, neutron is 23 minus 12. What is the atomic number of Y? 17 electron they are given, so 17. What will be the atomic number of Z? Z has 3 shells. Okay, and one electron, 3 shells and 1 electron in the outermost, so 281. So 11. Okay.
Sir, its mass number is 29. Short number.
No, but 3 shells only. That the question is error. They should have mentioned 4 shells. 4 shell होना चाहिए. So then it will be 2881. So potassium. So but you don't have to write that. You have to write atomic number is 19. Okay. Okay. Hey, what is the mass number? We know carbon atom and label its part. Beta, we have to be very careful. You have to show proton, neutron. How many proton? 6 proton, 12 neutron. And in first orbit there are 2 electron. And in second there are how much beta? 4. So this is how you are going to do. And then you'll write this is nucleus, proton, neutron. These are electron and these are orbits.
Oh, so that's it.
What do you mean by valency of an atom? Okay. Acha, a electronic configuration of lithium they are given. And then right, yeah, मेरे को मालूम है बेटा. Okay. Hey, Ria is preparing homemade ORS. She learns that the potassium is essential. Potassium loses 1 electron. Based on that, which of the following correctly represent potassium ion? K plus. K. A chemistry teacher asks student to identify pair that exhibit more than one valency. Variable valency. कौन कौन होगा? कौन है इसमें से variable valency? Lead and mercury. Because here iron was showing, but calcium was not. Here copper was showing, but sodium was not. Silver, argentus, argentic, but potassium is not. But we have lead, plumbus, plumbic, mercurous, mercuric. A chemical equation is the symbolic representation of the chemical reaction using symbols and the formula involved. Every chemical reaction need to be balanced to follow the law. A is true, R is true, but R is not the correct explanation. 4 gases, hydrogen, chlorine, carbon dioxide, neon are stored in chemists predict that one of these gases is least likely to form compound. Which one will be the least likely to form? Neon. Because it does not react. Stable. Noble gas. Right. अच्छा बेटा ये सिंबल आ गया फॉर्म आ जाएगा एलिमेंट हैविंग डाइवेलेंट और वैलेंसी चलो बाइवेलेंट और वैलेंसी कोई भी बता दो बेटा मैग्नीशियम पॉजिटिव वैलेंसी इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट ओके मेटल में यू कैन राइट व्हाई नॉट वी कैन राइट कैल्शियम मैग्नीशियम राइट ना बेटा ओके जिंक इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव कौन होगा बेटा फ्लोरीन ऑक्सीजन क्लोरीन वेरिएबल वैलेंसी lead, iron, mercury. अच्छा now look this is very interesting. चलो acidic radical acidic मैंने बोला था नेगेटिव वाले होते हैं बेटा कौन है acidic? This is acidic because they form sulfuric and carbonic acid. Basic are positive. Who has both positive?
Sodium and potassium.
Metal one. Monovalent radical. Monovalent means monovalent radical. Radical is a group of atoms. बेटा दिया ही नहीं है लोगों ने radical. A you can write. Variable valency ferrous ferric. Tetralink.
Tetra is 4.
मैंने नहीं बोला
Okay. Acha, in exam if they ask you this type of question, hydroxide is what? OH1 minus. Chloride is Cl1. Carbonate is CO3 2 minus. Ammonium only positive radical. NH4 1 plus. Nitrate NO3 1. Okay. This is bicarbonate. What it is?
bicarbonate
This is permanganate. Permanganate. This is nitride. Nitride. This is dichromate. Dichromate. Dichromate.
Nitrite.
Okay, with the helping baking salt, soda, salt, battery fertilizer. Write the molecular formula of each of them. Mother Arjun notice baking soda. Baking, नहीं baking हाँ केक अबे baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate. Sodium write the molecule each compound. तो पहला कौन है? पहला बेकिंग सोडा. बेकिंग So baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. Which element are present? Sodium, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen.
What HCO3?
Table salt. Table salt is NaCl. Table salt is NaCl. Sodium and chlorine. बैटरी एसिड. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. बैटरी एसिड में कौन होता है? सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. H2SO4. Which element are there? HSNO.
Sir, you forgot this.
Fertilizer. Fertilizer में we use what? Any ammonium salt can be used as a fertilizer. Ammonium chloride. You get this. Any ammonium chloride. Fertilizer. You can have urea also, beta. यूरिया इज डिफरेंट बट मतलब उसमें फॉर्मूला तुमने देखा है. नो दिस इज योर केमिकल. व्हाई नॉट केमिकल दिस थिंग? नो बाबा दिस इज दिस योर LOC लैंग्वेज ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. ओके चलो बेटा अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं. बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन. बैलेंसिंग नहीं दिया है तो क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया? बोलो ना बेटा. अच्छा मन में सोच रहे. वेरी गुड बेटा. मैंने आप लोगों को बेटा वर्कशीट दिया था. वर्कशीट में मैंने LOC लैंग्वेज ऑफ केमिस्ट्री का वर्कशीट दिया था. ये दिख रहा है कि नहीं? भाई सबको दिया मैंने. तेरे को आज बोल दूंगा. तेरा दिया था ना इसको? दिला ना? तेरे को वर्कशीट दिया मैंने. अब्बा में भी नहीं है तेरा कुछ. We have to do this word equation. What is that bamboozle? Okay, no. Okay, so I'll show you and I'll see if it is there. I'll give it to you. Okay. Now, what is remaining? Balancing is remaining. Where is the worksheet? Where you have done the balancing? Home क्या? Very bad. Carbon is C. Oxygen is O2. Then CO is carbon. Then now you have to balance this. So what you are going to do? 2, 2. Copper carbonate. Copper carbo CuCO3 gives you CuO plus CO2. Already balanced. Already. Sulfur dioxide is SO2. NaOH. Sodium sulfite is Na2SO3. Water is H2O. ये किया भी है कि नहीं किया है? So beta now how many Na are here? 2. So I'll put here 2. So H is 2 and O is 2 and 2 4. Yeah. Yeah. O वहां तो करते ना बेटा. यहाँ पे 2 डाला ना बस हो गया ना. तो यहाँ पे हो गया कि नहीं? H कितना हो गया? 2. यहाँ पे भी H कितना है? 2. O कितना है? 3 + 1 4. हो गया. बैलेंस्ड हो गया कि नहीं? यहाँ का 2 है ना O. मैं बताऊं क्या करके? CaO. Already balanced. Aluminium. Sulfuric acid is H2SO. Aluminium sulfate. Aluminium valency is 3. Sulfate is 2. And this is hydrogen. Clear? Now I need to balance this. So beta, if you see here, how many sulfate is how much here? 3. Here it is only 1. 3 into 2. So here I'll put 3. And here it is 2. Balanced. Yeah, ये सल्फेट तेरा 3 था ना, तो मैंने यहाँ पे 3 डाल दिया. Clear? Okay. तो बेटा आई नो बेटा, until unless you are not going to do, कैसे पता चलेगा तुम लोग को? नहीं, ये क्लास में करोगे तो ही आएगा. Zinc plus NaOH. This gives you sodium zincate plus hydrogen. Here you'll put 2.
Sir, in the and SO4 thrice, S is thrice and O is 12.
Yeah. Okay, 4, 3 into 4, 12 na. I'm going to do that balancing again. We just started. Yeah, so that is what I want to do that in detail. Okay, क्या है बोलो बेटा? So I'll do this. I'll do this.
Sir, the sodium
Chlorine chemistry physics.
CAS.
PC sir.
Na2SO4.
PC sir. Purohit chemistry.
Balanced already.
Sir, he's asking a doubt.
Okay, we you know, but I'm leaving right now, all of you. Bye bye. Wait.
Chill out, man. Sir, ka video
Bye, sir. Bye.